Hey fans, welcome back. In this video, we showcase the most innovative and cutting-edge technology that you need to see. From smart devices and futuristic tools to incredible inventions that make life easier, these gadgets are sure to impress. Join us as we explore the top gadgets of 2024, highlighting their features, functionality, and how they can revolutionize your daily life. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just love cool gadgets, this video is packed with mind-blowing innovations that you won't believe exist. The Asuizo Caze is a must-have for anyone with a large collection of memory cards. It can store 12 micro SD cards, 4 SD cards, and 4 nano SIM cards. With its USB adapter and micro SD and SD ports, it also doubles as a card reader, allowing you to use 2 cards simultaneously. A convenient feature for SD cards is the lever system. When you insert them into the storage slots, a red mark indicates the card is full, while green means there's still space available. This handy case is priced at just $49. Jet engines have inspired some cool designs for fans, and the Morning Arts team proves it with their TELLO. This spherical device looks like it's straight out of a Portal game. It can send air up to 20 meters away and rotates 90 degrees horizontally and vertically. If you have an air conditioner, the TELLO helps distribute the cool air more evenly, even reaching the ceiling. Plus, it's super quiet, operating at just 36 decibels, which is as soft as a whisper or the ambient noise in a library. For just $159, you can enjoy a pleasant breeze at home. Shelves are no longer boring thanks to Geco Hub's innovative Geco Hub organizers. Featuring a flexible matrix, these organizers can hold a variety of items, from watches to glasses, keeping everything in place as long as the total weight is under 2.5 kilograms. Lightweight and easy to install, they adhere to walls with adhesive strips, eliminating the need for screws. Made from silicone rubber, they won't damage your belongings and are easy to clean. Plus, you can mix and match the flexible parts and colors to create your own unique design. All this for just $30. A smart deal indeed. Designers and artists, you'll love this. With Shaper Trace, you can turn a sketch on paper or screen into a vector SVG file in seconds. Simply place the special frame over your sketch, snap a photo with your smartphone, and voila! The app corrects any perspective distortion and lets you import the entire sketch or just parts of it. You can also mix and match it with other sketches, shapes, and text. The frame has a capture area of 178 by 268 millimeters. They even include a pen, but it's optional. The frame, pen, and app combo are available for just $80. The Pip-Boy, a wrist computer from the beloved Fallout video game series, stands as one of gaming's most iconic gadgets. Bethesda Softworks, the company behind Fallout, seized an opportunity to capitalize on its popularity. Recently, they launched a replica of the Pip-Boy scene in the Amazon TV show and included a model in the limited collector's edition of Fallout 4 back in 2015. This device operates like an advanced smartwatch, allowing hands-free calls and music playback, although it lacks a Geiger counter like in the games. Despite this, fans eagerly paid $200 for the collector's edition. OYO Personal Gym. With around 40 million digital nomads worldwide, lightweight and compact fitness solutions are essential. The OYO Personal Gym is perfect for those on the move. Weighing less than a kilogram, it offers the same workout benefits as a full gym. It comes with resistance discs and access to over 200 exercise videos, including Pilates, yoga, and cardio. Priced at just $284, it's an ideal fitness companion for a busy lifestyle. THICC specializes in PC parts, including cases, cables, and cooling systems, and they hold their own at major tech events like CES. Check out their upgraded water cooling system, the THICC Q60. This unique creation features an external mount for the usual system case screen, making it a large 5-inch diagonal display. THICC also doesn't skimp on aluminum, resulting in a thick 52mm radiator. The water flows in a closed loop through special polymer tubes covered in nylon sleeves. This high-end setup pairs perfectly with an M5 socket, all for just $300. The Graco SmartSense bassinet is a game-changer for parents. When it detects the baby crying, it automatically starts rocking and plays white noise, providing much-needed relief for parents. It comes with a soft 100% organic cotton sheet for extra comfort. The bassinet is Bluetooth compatible, allowing parents to easily stream songs and sounds. Designed for babies up to 9 kilograms who can't yet push up on their hands and knees, it's a parent favorite and sells for $400. Mobile gamers spent an astonishing $116 billion on their favorite games, more than 12 times Monaco's GDP. The popularity of games spans from puzzles to shooters, but aiming accurately in shooters without a mouse or joystick has always been challenging. Luckily, a teenager from California devised a brilliant solution: smart glasses that turn your head into a controller. Now, simply look at your target to shoot, enabling 200% faster aiming with 50% less finger movement and a clearer screen. These glasses are compatible with both Android and iOS devices, as well as consoles like the Steam Deck. All this innovation comes at an affordable price of $89. What's the future of pocket flashlights? Should we grab one now, especially at just $16? The Mankerlight M01 is a versatile little flashlight that fits perfectly on a bike seat post or in a plumber's pocket. Weighing only 24 grams, it can run for up to 6.5 hours in constant mode or 18 hours in strobe mode.